Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to schedule a text on your iPhone. You can only do so using the iPhone to iPhone connection, so using only the iMessage. You can't do so on the SMS, only using the iMessage. So here, to make sure that this is the iMessage, you'll have iMessage written here and here. Apart from that, you'll have here this icon, blue icon. Now you have to click while sending the message. You have to, when being in the text label, you have to click this plus here and stop send later. Here, now as you can see, we can set it for today, Saturday or something like that. Here you have hour, and we can set it, for example, today on the a minute later, and now send. And as you can see, this is the message itself. Now we can wait a minute to check if the message will be sent. We can edit this message here before sending it, or delete that using this edit button here. So let's wait now. As you can see, the message is now sent, and on the other phone the message is here. And that's it for this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and goodbye!